In today's quick video, I am going to be showing you exactly how I tint my brows from home. Eyebrow tints can be hella to very cheaply and very quickly do it from home, then please.
This is my natural brows. If you like it stronger and you want it to take longer, leave it on for the full 10 minutes, but I do mine in small increments. So I take an orange wood stick and I apply this to the brow, pushing it into the hair so it touches the skin, and also make sure that you touch both sides of your hair, that way it will really take on the tint. The great thing about tinting your brows is that it will stain your skin, which means that your brow will naturally look slightly darker where you don't have hair, and those tiny white vellus hairs that you can't see will also take on the tint, making them look fuller. Also, don't worry about being messy at this stage, you just want to get the tint on and then we're going to clean up the edges. To do so, I'm taking a damp cotton bud and I'm creating a nice crisp line on the base of my eyebrow. I'm also going to do the same along the top, and then also along the arch and the tail of the eyebrow as well. Now, as I mentioned, I like a really light natural tint. It will also show up a little bit more defined when I'm not in studio lighting. I tend to take my tint off after just 1 minute because my hair really grabs with tint, and then if I need it to be a little bit darker, I will then repeat the same process. I'd rather that than my brows going too dark too quick. I start by using a cotton bud to wipe off the excess product. Then I go in with a damp cotton pad and I work that right between the hairs to make sure I've completely removed the tint. You'll see I've got a subtle stain into the skin and the hair is a bit darker, so I'm going to repeat the process again and just leave it on for 1 extra minute. You'll know I love a very natural eyebrow, but for those of you that like it a little bit more intense, you can leave it on for the full 10 minutes. So as you can see from my before and after, what I've got is a really nice natural result. This is how my brows look when they've been filled in with a pencil.